Now I decided to make this video for this special moment of upgrading my Helm of War of the Whole event. So let's get started. The first thing is, after I sell some stuff, I have enough points now to buy the rare spear. Let's buy it. We buy the spear. Yeah, done. And then we going to the quest giver of the event to make the upgrade of the Helm tier 3, and after then I received the final Helm of the event. It feels so great. Yeah, looking very decent and powerful. Now the next step is to gem this Helm. So actually I was saving some amulets, so I can buy now magic gem. Yeah, here comes the magic gem. Then all we need is to transfer the item. We transfer it. Yeah, then gemming the new Helm. Just need to bring the name. Yes, this is the Helm gem. Now return it to my main character. And now I have my full gem new gear of this WOZ round. It's more powerful than the one I have now. I'm feeling so happy I did it in the first week, and I'd like to thank all the players and all the admins about keeping this game going forward. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.